Assalamualaikum friends, here is 2023 product mockup PSD file and total folder is 20. That's mean total pack is 20 in 4.57 GB, but don't worry, I will compress it. Okay, but these are protected password in this app. Buy now for lifetime, all password in this app. And here is my Facebook page. Join me on Facebook. Last is Telegram channel. Subscribe this for latest notification of any video or any update. Okay, here is airport roll up banner mockup. I know you can use, and I know you know how to change or how to replace your image. I tell you just for example or beginner. Now you need a design. For example, open this one and drag there. Enter Ctrl S. You see here our mockup is ready. Next is business email newsletter. Here is 3 format: XD, Figma and PSD for Photoshop. Okay, best creative agency, you can make a full page. Catalogue Mockup, you can import and place it. Is exclusive packaging, you see here flare, frame horizontal and hanging menu board. Here is social media post mockup. Okay, screen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Okay, design 1, design 2, you see here our images here, so you can adjust one by one. Yeah, same thing here, screen 1 and screen 2. Here is id-card-mockup. Safety visit and helmet. Paper mockup. Drag there. Enter Ctrl S. Wow. Phone and tablet. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me, and password in this app I know for lifetime. I'll password in this app and automatically update when I upload any new data or video on Facebook or YouTube. Take care, Allah Hafiz.